Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can sell the first house in House Flipper. Now as you can see right now, I'm pretty much on my second house over on this game. But if you want to sell your very first house when you first started it, just go over to your laptop right here and then press E to use it. And then press Browser. Go over to your tab that says here Owned. And over here on your first office, just click into it and then press Go to the House. Give it a few seconds for it to load in, and once you arrive to your first office, over on the top right, you will see a button there that says Sell the House. And the button for it would be the Enter button on your keyboard. So I'm going to press that. It will say here the amount that you bought the house for, the area around it, the room count, and the current budget that you have, and the amount of time that you've spent. Now press down Put on Auction, and then eventually people will try to buy your house off an auction right here. As you can see, it's $25,000 and it raised all the way up to $28,000. Once you're satisfied with the offer, just press down space to accept offer. Once you press down space, you should have sold the house now, and then you'll go back to your new office. And there you go. You should have sold the very first house, and if I check over to my laptop now, and then press on browser, it says here that I only own this current house that I'm at. And that's pretty much about it on how to sell your first house on House Flipper.